Thank you for reminding me. So here now, in physics, a velocity is a speed. A velocity is a speed, but in given direction. So I cannot say the speed is a velocity, but I can say the velocity is a speed in a given direction. That means if I want to describe the movement of the car, I can say that when the car is travels at 60 kilometer per hour, we're specifying its speed because I'm talking about its magnitude only. But if I say the car is moving 60 kilometer per hour to the north, so I use to say, I'm talking about the magnitude and the direction, so I'm describing the velocity. So don't forget, the velocity is directed speed or speed in direction. Now, and as I told you that the quantity such a velocity that specifies direction and magnitude, we call it a vector quantity. But the speed is like direction, is like area, is like volume. If you want to talk about the volume in math or the area in math, can you tell me that the area is 360 meters squared to the north? No, I just need the magnitude in numbers to tell me what is the area of the shape. But then I didn't need the direction. So the area, the volume, the speed is a scalar quantity. But the velocity is like a force. It's like both of them are vector quantity. Is it clear? What's the difference between them?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you, teacher.
Now, and for the velocity, I have two things or two types of them: constant and changing velocity. Now, if I'm talking about
And هذا Galileo's motion.
if I'm talking about constant velocity, or if I'm talking about velocity, I need to describe a velocity, I need the magnitude and the direction. Is it right? So, because of that, if I'm talking about constant velocity, I need constant magnitude and constant direction.
So velocity is a vector quantity, right?
Yes, sorry?
Velocity is a vector quantity?
Yes, the velocity is a vector quantity, but the speed is a scalar. Now, here, the constant velocity. Because if I'm talking about constant velocity, that's mean I need constant magnitude and constant direction. Both of them must be constant. The magnitude must be constant and the direction must be constant. If both of them, don't forget, it must be both of them. If both of them is constant, I can say it is constant velocity. But if one of them is changing, I can say it's a changing velocity. Now let's stop with the constant velocity. So constant speed, that means steady speed. And before that, let's talk about the constant velocity. The constant velocity, it means both of the speed and the direction are constant. Now, what's the meaning of constant speed? Like a number. It's not variable. Like 4, 5, 6. It's a number. That doesn't increase or decrease. It's a number that's constant. So can be the magnitude be constant all the time?
No.
No, it can be. the speed of something. Okay?
If it's not in constant velocity.
No, I say here, can I say that the speed, or can the speed be 50 kilometer per hour all the time? Can I make it constant? Yes, sometimes in the cars, if you can put, I want to travel with 60 kilometers per hour, I can put it as a constant, then I will drive. I can make it a constant without changing. Try it in the car. You can, or in some cars, I think, you can put that I need to travel, or I want to travel in 80 kilometers per hour. If you put it as a constant number, you can travel all the time at the same speed. So now I can make the speed is constant. But how can I make the direction constant? The only things that mean I can make a constant direction is to moving in a straight line. That's mean I didn't moving in a straight line. That's mean I didn't go to the north, then to the left.
So the direction did not change.
Yes,
and the speed
thank
is
you.
constant.
So in the straight line here, as you see, in the straight line, the direction is the same. It will be the north from the beginning until the end. The direction is not changing here. So the direction is not changing, and the constant, the value of the speed is not changed. So I can say I have a constant velocity. Now what about changing velocity? As I told you, the constant velocity, that's mean I need magnitude, or to describe it, I need magnitude and I need also direction. So if I'm talking about constant velocity, it must be have constant magnitude and constant direction. But both of them must happen at the same time. But if one of them is changing, that's mean I moved in a straight line in one direction, but my speed is changing. I start with 5, then 10, then 15, then 4, then 2. The speed is changing. So because the magnitude is changing and the direction will be the same, I can say now here it is a changing velocity. Is it clear?
Yeah. Teacher, I have a question. Can we ask you after the period?
Yes.
Thank you.
So here, the velocity, you're welcome. So the velocity, if I want to talk, or if I want to say that is a changing velocity, that means one of them will be changed, or both of them. Can I change the magnitude of the velocity? Yes, I can. By make first 5, then 10, then 5, increase the speed on and the speed up and speed down. I can change the magnitude. But how can I change now the direction? Can I change now the direction of the speed?
If you move, repeat the question.
Here, the velocity, I want to describe the velocity. I need the magnitude and the direction.
Yeah.
So if I will say it is a change, it's changed in magnitude, it's easy. That means the numbers or the speed will be slow up or slow down, or speed up or speed down. So what about the direction? How can I change the direction?
Let's say you are like running in a circle.
Yes,
if you accelerate as far with the circle. Yeah.
Yes, if you moved in a circular path or curved path, like this as an example, go up, go down, go up, go down, in curved path or in circular path, I change the direction. I started, then to this direction, then it will change. Even 2 or after specific amount of time, my direction is changing. So what does it mean? I mean I can't change the direction. If I can't change the direction, or I can change the magnitude, I can say that this will be a changing velocity. So here, don't forget, I say or. I say now or magnitude, change magnitude or change direction. I will say it will be changing velocity. But in the constant velocity, I must put both of them and. I mean, to constant magnitude and constant direction, it will be constant velocity. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yeah,
teacher.
Okay. Now this is an example here. Look at this car. It moves on the circular track. It can have a constant speed, but cannot have a constant direction. So because of that, it can have a constant. So because of that, I can say that it can, this car, it's moving. Now it can have a constant magnitude, but a changing direction. Is it right?
I understand.
Yes.
So that means since it have a change direction and constant magnitude, so I will say it's changing velocity. Clear now? Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, can I say it's have a constant speed or changing speed?
Changing. No, same speed.
Thank you. Constant speed. Why constant speed?
Because they have the same number of speed.
Thank you. Because here I have a constant magnitude, so that means it's have a constant speed. So constant magnitude, it's mean constant speed. Constant magnitude and changing direction, it will be changing velocity. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Do you have any question? Shall I give you
No, I
more
have a-
examples?
Yes, please.
Okay. See, okay, guys. Now after less than 1 minute, the period will finish. I want you now to re-enter the class. Okay?
The same
So
class?
I think it is okay like oh.
If you understand it, you can go. If you didn't understand, please go to the class area and re-enter the class. Okay?
I understood it.
I understood teacher, so I think no.
Who did
I
understand?
understood it.
Okay, who told me I want to give